Hey guys, welcome back. This is Naresh. So, if you remember, a couple of days before, I have uploaded a video in which I have told you how you can go ahead and accept the SSL certificates and unsecured certificates so that you can get the home page. And for that, if you remember, we have written the code something like this, all right, in which we are setting up the Chrome options and then we are setting up the capability into those options and we are passing on the options into the Chrome driver. Okay, so this is the way we were accepting it for the Chrome browser. So one of the subscriber has just messaged me today that she is able to do it with the Chrome browser, but somehow the IE is not working for her. Okay, so let me open the Edge browser. Even the Edge is also not working. So let me open the Edge browser. If you open it, it gives you this. Okay, something like this, and this code will not work. I have written this code by myself also, and instead of that Chrome options I have just replaced it with the Edge options, and I have given the Microsoft WebDriver.exe. Okay, my Edge driver. Okay, so these are the only two changes which I have done. Otherwise my program is exactly the same, but somehow she was true that this is not working in IE and it is not working in Edge. So what I find out in Edge and IE in the latest versions, they have made some changes into the implementation of that, and through that you cannot directly control and accept the SSL certificates. But still, we have a workaround to do that. See, in automation, whenever you're working in your project in a company, it may possible some of the things are not working as expected as you were thinking, because you have learned that this thing will behave in certain manner, and you can automate that out. But sometime you will get some kind of a situation, or you will be in some kind of situation when some few things are not working properly like this code. So for that, we have to look for some alternatives through which we can achieve that. Okay. So what is the alternative which I found? Instead of, accepting the certificate, we can just click on this detail link through our Selenium code and click on this go onto the web page link. So this is the alternative which we can do through which we will be able to execute that. Now let me show you what is the code I have written. Instead of clicking on the detail link and then clicking on this after some time, because let's say if I click on detail link, it takes like some milliseconds to open this. So instead of clicking on this link and to open for just to wait for milliseconds and then click on this link, what I have done, I have just run the JavaScript command. Okay, and what is the benefit I am getting into the JavaScript? So even if this link is hidden, this go onto the web page link is hidden, my JavaScript will be able to find this link. So if I do a right click and click on inspect element, let me just open this. Okay, the ID is invalid cert continue and it is go onto the home page, and the tag A has the ID of override link. So that's mean if I use that, okay, if I use this and if I click on this, I should be able to go to the home page. Okay, so that's what I have written with the JavaScript. That is the power of a JavaScript, that even if your code is not there. Okay, let me just go back. Okay, so even if the link is there, you can click on that link, because if it is present in the DOM, okay, I can see it is present in the DOM. So even if it is hidden, okay, but if it is present in the DOM, my JavaScript should be able to click on that. So I have written a code here which is driver.navigate.to, and under double quotes, okay, I have written my JavaScript. So what I have written, JavaScript colon document.get element by id. Any of you if knows JavaScript, they know this is the way through which we can get an element on the document. So I have written document.get element by id, so there is no driver.find element. Okay, and under that I have given the id of that link and I have just called dot click method in that. That's it. So this is the way I have written the JavaScript to click on that. Okay, now let me just run this program. And I have just comment all those edge options here. Run as Java application. Okay, so it's opening the browser. It has opened the website, and if you see in the URL, okay, it has written the JavaScript code, and now I am getting my home page. Okay, so this is an alternative way through which we can do the same thing which we were doing before by giving the options. Okay, so be positive. Anytime you get certain kind of issues, just search for it. Maybe there's a workaround and you would be able to pass on through that. All right, so if you like the video, please hit on like button and subscribe it. If you don't like the video, please dislike it, give me a comment so that I can improve it. All right, thank you for watching.